Are you ready for tonight's main event? The louder you get, the harder they fight. Let's hear ya! Once again, I'm your ring announcer, Mark Scott with KMAG 99.1. I will be outside the arena for the match. However, ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. One fall with a 60-second time limit. The gentleman now entering the arena from Nasty City, weighing 280 pounds, the Nasty Boy, Brian Knobs. With the shovel, Brian Knobs. Out here so I can whoop his ass and get out of this stinking miserable town. Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, his opponent, 50 pounds. Please make welcome, Jake the Snake Roberts. Jake the Snake Roberts. Jake the Snake Roberts. Ladies and gentlemen, the Arkansas Athletic Commission has deemed it unsafe for a referee to stay inside the ring. He will raise the hand
out of the ring right
of the
now.
one that comes out of the steel cage this evening.
He does not want to face Damien.
Now you're about to find out why they call him Jake the Snake.
Wants the microphone. Let's listen to what he has to say.
Hey! Get that freaking snake the hell out of here! It don't belong in here! Get it the hell out of here!
And here comes the snake, I think. Knobs is going out top. And looks like it's on. A cage match is one of the most dangerous matches in all of wrestling. Inverted. Little painful on that one. Official Wayne Falcon outside the ring, not wanting to get near that snake. Plus, that's the safest place to be during a cage match. Knobs running from the snake, and you can see that snake squirming in that Realtree camouflage bag. Jake the Snake, wily veteran. Brian Knobs and the Nasty Boys head first into the cage. I'll tell you. And again into the fence. I'm surprised he's not cut wide open after that one. The fans firmly behind Brian Knobs. Did I say Brian Knobs? Firmly behind Jake the Snake. It's been a long, hot evening, and I don't think I've got all my senses here. Forearm smash. Boot to the midsection of. And Brian Knobs not doing anything to endear himself to the fans on that one. Knobs a little too close to the snake. The snake bag is open, and you can see Damien squirming around inside there. I doubt if the snake likes being in there. Again, the debris starts to fly as Knobs goes after Jake. Knobs going solo these days. His partner, Jerry Sagg's injured. And if Knobs isn't careful, or if Jake isn't careful, he may wind up that way as well. Into the corner, the whole ring. And the cage shakes. Sitting at the ringside table, I'm hoping they got that cage strapped down awful tight, because I don't want it coming down on me. Choking with referee Wayne Falcon outside of the cage. It's pretty much a no-holds-barred match right now. Knobs going up top. Winner of this match, first one to reach the floor. That's the reason Falcon is down low. Halfway up. Oh, a low blow. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Our official for the night's match is Wayne Falcon. Grimaces in pain as well. Greg Martin, the Lucha Libre expert of Fort Smith, Arkansas, grimaces as well. Fingers to the eyes. Leg drop now by Brian Knobs. And I'll tell you, if Brian Knobs doesn't stop worrying about the fans, start worrying about Jake the Snake, he might wind up in trouble. He's got him down. He needs to pound him. Finally, wasting time. Knobs choking Jake. Going after him. And again, Knobs taunts the fans here in Fort Smith. And he goes to the top near side turnbuckle. He's halfway up. He's taking forever. I don't know if he could take much longer to get out of this ring. Now the hardest part, climbing over the fence, over the cage. Jake's got his foot, stomping on the fingers, and Knobs is coming back down the hard way onto Jake. Roberts, master of the DDT. This might. That had to hurt. Roberts.
That's one unhappy snake.
That is one unhappy snake right there. More ways than one, Craig. Could it be again? Not again. Again. And Would you stop with the Lewinsky references on that? Here comes Knobs, telling Falcon to open the gate. Here it comes. Wide open. Jake's got his boot off. Oh! Boot to the head. Now Jake's coming out. Roberts halfway out. One leg out. Knobs has got a hold of him though. Right here by my position. Oh, not again. Oh! Now it's his turn to use the boot. His problem with taking the boot off. Seen it happen many times before.
Shut the gate, asshole!
And Wayne Falcon getting abused for no reason by Brian Knobs.
Nasty!
Knobs living up to his reputation as a nasty boy tonight. I haven't heard that much foul language since I was at a Ducks Unlimited banquet. Up, and the armpit rub. Now the last thing you want to do is get Jake the Snake Roberts angry at you, Craig. He can slap the DDT on at any time.
This reminds me of the last Rotary meeting I went to.
Again, the low blow. Knobs looks to the corner. And this heat, thunderstorm getting ready to roll into Fort Smith. It's taking its toll on both of these athletes. Knobs to the top turnbuckle. Starts his way up the cage. Jake to his feet. Damien squirming. Knobs caught. This is gonna hurt. Little payback by Jake the Snake. What a performance. Short arm clothesline. Could this be it? He's giving the signal for the DDT. Jake playing to the fans. Knobs to his knees. He cinches it in, and Knobs drives him in. Knobs, as everyone in the building also knew, that was the time for the DDT. Good defensive move by nasty boy Brian Knobs. Again, the boot to the back. And now Greg the Hammer Valentine down. Valentine hands in some brass knuckles to help Brian Knobs. Valentine and Roberts have a history going back to the 80s. And here comes the punch. And down goes Jake Roberts. As I said earlier, and now Jake is cut wide open. Into the fence. Oh, he is gushing blood. Greg the Hammer Valentine still outside the ring. Helping out. Nasty boy. Brian Knobs. Valentine signals over to the door. He says he'll be waiting on the nasty boy to get there. He pushes Wayne Falcon down. And Valentine's going in the ring. And here it is. The door wide open for the nasty boy, Brian Knobs. And he's held up by Roberts. Knobs fighting his way off Valentine there. Wayne Falcon, our official, slow to get up as our cameraman moves into position. Side. And a full Coke almost took out me and Craig. Bunch of idiots throwing stuff. Knobs. Valentine still stalking the ring. The Hammer comes ringside, opens the door again. And I must say this was unexpected for Valentine to help out. Watch out, there's Golden Boy Jerry Gray. There's a rescue, Jake the Snake. Action outside the ring. Golden Boy Jerry Gray comes to the rescue. Valentine getting the tail whooping. Watch out, the Snake's loose now. Knobs back turned. Here comes Damien. Damien on Knobs. Knobs doesn't know what to do. Damien's loose. DDT. DDT. Valentine and Gray going at it. Outside the ring. The door's wide open. And out comes Jake the Snake. He's down. And he, I believe, has won the match. And that's the match. Jake the Snake